Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss an important genetically modified crop. That genetically modified crop is known as Artic, Artic, Apple, Artic Apple. It is a genetically modified crop or genetically modified plant and has been produced with a special purpose. First of all, I will discuss why it has been produced. What is the main purpose of producing an Arctic apple? Look here, this is an apple. You will see here, I will cut it here like this, or you will bruise it with the help of your teeth. Once this fruit is damaged either with knife or by biting, you will see that this color here, it is fresh color. This color will get changed after some time. Here you will also see the color will get changed. What color after some time appears here? You will see the brown color appearing here, and that appearance of brown color on this damaged surface here, on this damaged surface, is known as a special type of reaction known as browning reaction. This browning reaction does not take place only in fruits, it also takes place in vegetables. You will see here I have cut also a potato here. Look here, it is a potato. This is this damaged surface. It has been cut with the help of knife. After some time, you will see that the color of this damaged surface will also turn into brown. This is a browning reaction, and it is an enzymatic reaction. That means it is carried by enzymes. What are the enzymes which are responsible for causing this reaction, and what is the process of causing this reaction in these fruits and vegetables? That means in plants, you will see there are large number of natural phenols like flavonoids which give colors to plants, like anthocyanin. There are tannins. These are also phenolics in nature. There is lignin. It is also phenolic in nature. That means large number of phenolic compounds are found in plants, and these are known as natural phenols found in these plants. What happens during browning reaction? These phenolic compounds, that is flavonoids, anthocyanin, tannins, they are oxidized. They get oxidized into benzoquinones. They get oxidized into benzoquinones with the help of O2, and the reactions, that means the conversion of natural phenolic compounds into benzoquinones. This reaction or these reactions are carried by important enzymes known as polyphenol oxidases and catechol oxidases. That means these enzymes, polyphenol oxidases, catechol oxidases, they convert these natural phenolic compounds, that is flavonoids, anthocyanins, tannins, or lignin, into the benzoquinones with the help of oxygen. That these benzoquinones are then converted into melanins melanins by a series of reactions that results the change in the color of these damaged surfaces, due to which these surfaces turn brown in color. Why only? That means why not here the browning reaction occurs? Why it occurs only here? The main reason is that the enzyme polyphenol oxidase and the phenolic compounds, they are present in different compartments of cells. That means phenols are usually found in vacuoles or somewhere else, but the enzyme polyphenol oxidase and catechol oxidase, they are found usually in chloroplasts, usually in mitochondria, usually in peroxisomes. That means polyphenol oxidases, which are responsible for causing this reaction. These are usually present in chloroplasts, mitochondria, and peroxisomes. Once it is damaged, that means cells also get here damaged, chloroplast also get damaged, mitochondria also get damaged. That means these enzymes are released and the surface also gets exposed to oxygen. Once the enzymes are released, the surface gets exposed to oxygen, the phenols are converted. That means phenols are oxidized by polyphenol oxidase. It is an enzyme into quinones. These quinones are then converted into by a series of reactions into the melanins. That means by the accumulation of melanins on the surface of these fruits, or that is damaged surface of these fruits, the color of these surfaces turn brown. Now you will see that Arctic apple has been produced with this main purpose. This Arctic apple is a group. Actually, it is a group of genetically modified apples, where browning reaction, that means change in the color of damaged surfaces, browning reaction, does not take place. By that, the color of such fruits always remains fresh here. It does not change its color here. That means if you will cut it in the morning, after long time you will see the surface here, that is the surface here, it will be like this. It will have not changed its color. That is, the browning reaction does not take place in case of these Arctic apples. What has been done in these Arctic apples during their formation? By genetic engineering, a special genetic engineering known as gene slicing. Gene slicing, the genes responsible for the synthesis of enzyme polyphenol oxidase. Polyphenol oxidase, as I have already mentioned, that polyphenol oxidase is an enzyme which is mainly responsible for causing browning reactions on the surfaces of damaged crops or damaged fruits. Here you will see, by genetic engineering, the gene slicing, a method of genetic engineering, the genes which are responsible for the synthesis of this enzyme, that is polyphenol oxidase, has been modified. Due to which the synthesis of enzyme polyphenol oxidase has been reduced. One is the enzyme synthesis responsible for causing browning reaction has been reduced. That means this enzyme is not now available. It is not available in case of apple known as Arctic apple. Once it is not available in these apples, that is which are genetically modified apples, also known as Arctic apple, the reaction, that means browning reaction, the reaction known as browning reaction, does not take place. That means by genetic modification, a normal apple has been modified by the modification of a gene by a process known as gene slicing. A gene has been modified which is responsible for the formation of an enzyme known as polyphenol oxidase, which is responsible for causing browning reaction by converting phenols, that means I have already mentioned phenols, natural phenols, into quinones, and these quinones are then converted into melanin by a series of reactions. Here you will see that if phenols are present in these fruits, that means Arctic apple, if phenols are present in the Arctic apple but enzyme PPO, polyphenol oxidase, is not synthesized as the gene responsible for the synthesis of this enzyme, it has been modified. Once this enzyme is not available, oxygen is available, but the enzyme which is responsible for oxidation of for the oxidation of phenol, that is polyphenols, natural polyphenols, into quinones, that enzyme is known as PPO, that is polyphenol oxidase. This enzyme is absent in these apples, hence this reaction does not take place, and the color of such surfaces will always remain fresh. That means in these fruits the color does not get changed. This is an important genetic modifications as produced by Okanagan Institute of fruits, and that means the Arctic apple the commercial sale of Arctic apple has been approved by United Nations Food and Drug Administration in 1915, and Canadian Canadian Food Inspections in 1917. They have approved the commercial sale of this Arctic apple and have said that this Arctic apple is safe to eat. That means the Arctic apple, which is different from this apple, you will see after some time it is a normal apple which we are growing in our orchards. You will see once it is cut, its color will get changed from here on this surface, on these surfaces. Same occurs in case of vegetables. That means in case of potatoes, here you will see after some time, after half an hour, you will see the color will get changed here, the color will get changed here. Look here, you will see this is the previous cut. You will see here the reaction has been started here, browning reaction has been started here, that is color has started getting changed here. Look here, color has started to get changed from normal color into the brown color, but this change in color, that is browning reaction, is totally absent in case of Arctic apple. This was an important genetic modification created by Okanagan Institute of Fruits and has been validated by the government of USA and the government of Canada. Thank you for this video.